Hi guys, in this lesson I will teach you how to register a domain name. Okay, so what is a domain name? A domain name is your website name. Okay, it is the address where internet users can access your website. Okay, so practically it is the web address that people type on the address bar so they can go to your website. Okay, so I will show you an example. All right, so this is the search bar, okay? And we will type the domain name bloggingduo.com. Okay, so the domain name here is bloggingduo.com. And when you press enter, it will go to the Blogging Duo website. Okay? But this is the domain name, bloggingduo.com. Okay? So now let's go back to the lesson. Okay, again, a domain name is your website name. Okay? And I recommend that you choose only .com, .net, or .org for your domain name extensions, okay? Because these days there are many domain extensions such as .biz, .club, .stream, .store, etc., etc. But these are the best domain names, okay? And if possible, the best domain name extension is .com, okay? If you can't get .com, then you can try .net or .org, but as much as possible, please get a .com domain name. Okay? So now let's go to namecheap.com. Okay? Namecheap.com is one of the biggest and most popular domain name registrars on the internet. Okay? So for example, we're going to make a website about digital books. Okay? So let's try to look for the domain name digitalbooks.com. Okay? This is just an example. Because most of the time the best domain names are already taken. So we need to see if they are available or not. Okay? Because somebody probably already registered it. Okay? So as we can see here that digitalbooks.com is not available. Okay? Someone already bought digitalbooks.com. And we can see there are other domain names such as digitalbooks.club, digitalbooks.science, okay, and there's digitalbooks.org, but it's very expensive and it costs $799, okay. So digitalbooks.us, okay, so these are the other domain names. And we can see that digitalbooks.net is already taken, okay. But anyway, since this is an exercise, I will just buy digitalbooks.club, okay? But in real life, you should get another domain name with a .com extension, okay? You can try another domain name, but put a .com extension. So for now, I will get this digitalbooks.club for our exercise, okay? So I will just press this, add to cart, okay? And then click this view cart, okay. All right, so we can see here this is our domain name and it costs 77 cents, digitalbooks.club, okay. But if it's a .com domain name, it will be about $10, okay. So here is who is guard protection, okay. Make sure that you enable this, okay, that is green, because who is guard provides privacy, okay. This provides privacy because when you register a domain name, you will need to put your name, your contact number, your address, etc. And if you don't put who is guard, then those information will be put in public, okay. And you don't want that, okay. So it is better to have who is guard, okay. Anyway, this is free, okay, for the first year. This is free for the first year, and but usually it costs $2.88, okay. So now I'm just gonna confirm my order, okay. Just click this button, confirm order, okay. Just hold on for a bit, and I'm just gonna create an account, okay. So put the username, password, first name, and email address, and make sure well, you can uncheck this. Okay, so I'll just pause the video because I will create an account. Okay. Okay, so I finished this and just click this, create account and continue. Okay, so after you click create account and continue, you will be redirected to this account contact information. Okay, so you'll need to fill this up, this address, city, etc. So again, I'm going to pause this video because I'm just gonna fill this up. Okay. Okay, so after you finish filling up the form, just click continue. Okay, just click continue, and it will redirect you to okay, so this is the contact information. Okay, and now you will click here continue. Okay, click this orange button, click continue. Okay, so this is where we will pay for the domain name. Okay, you can use a credit card, you can use PayPal, or if you have an funds in your account, you can also use that. Okay, so I will use PayPal. Okay, and then I will click continue again. Okay, so we will review our order. Okay, so our order is one domain registration and the free who is guard. Okay, so I'm gonna check out with PayPal. Click PayPal. Okay. Okay, so I'm in PayPal. I will just log into my PayPal account. So again, I will pause this video because I will just log into my PayPal account. Okay. Okay, so I'm now paying with my PayPal account. Okay, it's just processing. Okay, so I'm done processing my domain name. Okay, and Namecheap will send an email to you. Okay, for your details of your domain name. Okay, so now here's my account. Okay, so that is how to register a domain name. Okay, so we will use this account and this domain name details in the next video. Okay, so see you in the next video.